Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter powder at home. Making your own allows for control over ingredients and freshness. We'll start by selecting the right peanuts, ideally roasted and unsalted, to ensure the best flavor profile. You'll also need a few basic kitchen tools, like a food processor and a fine mesh sieve, to achieve that perfect powdery consistency. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding process. Next, we'll begin processing our peanuts. Place your chosen peanuts into a food processor and pulse them. Initially, they will break down into a coarse meal. Keep pulsing, making sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl every 30 seconds or so. You'll notice the texture gradually change, transforming from a dry meal into a thick, pasty peanut butter as the natural oils are released. This step is crucial for the next stage. Now, it's time to remove the excess oil. Spread the freshly made peanut butter very thinly and evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place it into an oven preheated to a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for approximately 1 hour. This gentle heat is key. It slowly evaporates the natural oils, leaving behind a drier peanut solid, which is essential for creating the powder. Finally, let's create the powder and prepare for storage. Once the dried peanut butter has completely cooled, break it into smaller pieces and return it to the food processor. Process it again until it forms a fine, consistent powder. For an extra smooth result, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to catch any remaining clumps. Store your fresh, homemade peanut butter powder in an airtight container for up to 3 months, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.